This is Annexa on Air, and I'm Peter Nitschke, Founding Director of Pivot2 Solutions, Annexa's planning and reporting partner. Today's topic is Management Reporting Bursting feature and how it can be used to distribute fully formatted reports across your entire organisation. Management reporting is a drag and drop tool available in Oracle NetSuite planning and budgeting. It allows for report developers to quickly and easily customize pixel-perfect reporting to then share across the business, either in PDF format, HTML for more analysis, or in Excel. This tool allows reports to be branded with logos, colours, schemes and fonts, and then can be run out and emailed and distributed across the organisation. For an example of the bursting feature, here's one we prepared earlier. By editing the income statement variance burst, we can see we've got the report selected of the income statement variance, the ability to then change the dimensions that we're querying for, updating from period to period, cost center to cost center, or entity to entity. We can also select the distribution format, whether we prefer users to see reports in PDF or alternatively in Excel. Finally, we can easily update either users or groups, adding them to the distribution list as required. All of these features then combine to allow us to execute these bursts either manually at a certain period of time during month end, or alternatively add them to a sequence running monthly, weekly, or daily to provide all of the data across your entire organisation. In addition, the reports will be distributed to the entire distribution list across the entire organisation, then making them available to open directly in email, either in PDF or Excel format as required. As you can see, report bursting is an incredibly powerful tool to share data across your entire organisation. Thanks for watching Annexa on Air, featuring Pivot2 Solutions, and stay tuned for our next episode.